Alright, so in this video we will resume from previous one, and this li component, if you see here again, we did some changes to it. This progress bar li, so this was make child of component, use writing script of. So we did few changes to it. First change that we did was, uh, instead of, so if I control X this here and control Z here, so you guys can see. So this was our previous state, canvas child progress bar. We will simply remove it like this, and here we will, what we will try to do uh, is that instead of canvas child progress bar, since we want to make the current transform parent of g dot of something different. So what this means is, this is our script and we have the transform of the script, and we want it to it to be child of. So if we look here from here, so this is transform dot set parent g dot transform. Basically the name that we passed here will be checked, and if it is the parent name, then this transform will be made child of. However, even though the children are being made, the problem was that the rect transform wasn't wasn't displaying properly, or I will write it, if I write it here, rect transform was getting some local access change because of parent change. So we needed to copy values of sample progress bar, which was already displaying fine. So what this means is that so if you look at here, I'll try to explain it. So this is the canvas parent that for progress bar. This was the gradient bar that is displaying fine. So these rect transform values are being displayed fine. So we needed to copy these values to our li progress bar as well. So to do this, what we did was simply get the index value of this. So this game object is a child at child index 1 of this one. So if you see, there is, this is what it means, dot get child 1. So it will get rect transform component of this, and then we will try to simply paste it in the size delta and local scale values of our new li prefabs. So now if I save it and run it, you will see the children being displayed correctly. And lastly, what this destroy this means is detach this component, make child of component will be detached in the end. So now basically once this script has done its job, then it will be gone. So as you can see, the LIs are showing correctly, and there is no script with the name make child of. The reason is simple, that we destroyed. This means that remove this script from the game object, and now if we see, the rect transform values of the progress bars then they are exactly similar to this child object. And if we alter this game object, it will be altered equally. So if we press 0 and 1, this one and this, so since we might want different progress bars for the allies, we can simply turn this, which is the zeroth, and we can rename it as template for allies progress bar, name like this. And now when we paste it, we can change its value here. So now it's at 0, child component that we want to paste, and now we can change the color as well, because I think this is the, if you see here, it is the player progress bar, and we want the player progress bar to be different than a progress bar for so the allies progress bar will be a little bit smaller, something like this. It's a bit smaller, and something like this. So now if we play it, we will see the progress bar of allies to be a bit smaller. We will uncheck it and now to the game. If you pass from here, you can see the allies progress bar are a bit smaller as compared to our main player. And now we can also change its color. So if we go to ally progress bar ally here, we can also, first thing that we will do is turn it off, and then we go to ally progress bar ally, and here we can select the different color or material. So inside you can select the progress bar of your choice. Again, you have to select from these materials here, or you can make your own. So this was for this tutorial. We will save it and we will look how we can make customizable, a much more customizable progress.